This ground now, people. Potato, corn, mixed in. See there? Potato. Just straight potato and corn, people. Straight potato and corn. Baga, go and do your thing and come in, man. Mango tree right here, so people. Still loaded. Corn, banana. So I'm just showing you farm on a different level, people. I'm here, the Crocus bag farmer. Just want to make you feel like farming is still alive in Jamaica. And it is. Farming is still alive in Jamaica. This is the lifeline for all my community. Look at this beautiful corn. Them ready for pull. This field right here, pure peanut to the people, ready for pull. May I tell you some communities early in the farming every year, and we keep farming. We have banana, we have planting, corn, potato, we have the herbs and spices. Speaking of herbs and spices, I could just turn right now and show you these little purple things right here. Let me show you it. Right here. These little purple things. They're the famous vervine. You see it? Vervine right here on the side in the common. Those little purple things. That's vervine. Yeah, and I could show you many herbs just wild in the bush in St. Elizabeth. Matter of fact, I'm supposed to go get some cheney root soon up in Galdeville, but I know I'm trying to finish out some things and the work is difficult right now for me to just move. There's another what we call a mole pen. As you see, you can see the yellow yam. Yeah. I'll give you a close-up look.